Welcome to Trader OEM Insider. This is the first episode. I'm super happy to be with you. I'll be your host. My name is Charles Chamberlain. I'm Manager Growth and Development for Dealer Services at Trader Corporation. Also from Trader, my first guest is Matt Lawson, our Vice President, Software, Sales, and OEM. Good day, Matt.
Hey, Charles. Great to be here.
Great to be here also. So, Matt, first question. Why has Trader bought into the OEM certified programs?
Yeah, we recognize that the brand continuity is important to both the automaker as well as the franchise dealer, but we also recognize the importance that these programs represent in the eyes of the consumer. Charles, if the purchase experience is met with a well-executed brand strategy, driven by the OEM down through its dealers into the different external online purchase channels, that's going to help the consumer as much as it's going to help the seller.
Why do you believe that OEM certified programs are important for dealerships, Matt?
It comes down to the execution, Charles, and when a program architected by the OEM and their partner agency is well designed, it becomes the partner's accountability for the execution, and that's where Trader excels.
What are the benefits for dealers from partnering with a certified vendor for a specific product, solution, and services offerings?
Yeah, it's a great question. Most often, the biggest benefit to the dealer is going to carry the automated inventory and incentive feeds, which ensures that the dealer's inventory will always be properly represented online with the right program dollars and discounts in place without them having to worry about. That's a big one. The second most important piece is the brand continuity and the ease of the execution of those assets into their digital properties. The agencies and OEMs have become incredibly efficient with their delivery through to vendor partners. And so when you have a partner who's set up to execute in the right way, combined with a well-designed program structure, that lifts a massive burden off the dealer from having to worry about program changeovers and so forth.
Right. What OEMs are Trader's dealer-focused products, solutions, and services currently certified for?
Yeah, quite a number actually. Stellantis Canada, formerly known as FCA, but now commonly known as Stellantis Canada, Kia Canada, Ford of Canada, Hyundai Canada, Mitsubishi Canada, Nissan Canada, which is one from several years ago. And there's a few others that we're working on. We're also a certified partner for inventory management for Viato product suite for Honda, Acura, BMW, Audi, Volkswagen. So quite a number, Charles.
Can you provide more details on the Advantage dealership website specifically, as well as traffic.ca, digital advertising, all in one?
Yeah, I think the best way to summarize that is our solution is highly flexible, mobile responsive, with likely the most robust advertising technology stack in automotive. The key, we believe, Charles, to our solutions is our service approach. We really focus on driving strategy at the dealer level, and we take a look at their market and help them make recommendations at the local level.
Matt, thank you so much for being with us for the first launch. This is the first episode for Trader OEM Insider. I wish you a good day, and to everybody listening, see you soon. Thank you.
Thanks, Charles. Bye-bye.